Okay, this is from my Math 10 extended class. This is exercise 7C, which is all about the binomial theorem. And I had some questions about exercise or question three, part B. I can speak words. I'm a big boy. So the first question is write down the general term of the expansion. I think it's valuable for us to do this, so let's just go ahead and do that. Well, the general term, if I have a plus b to the n, then my general term is n choose r of a to the n minus r times b to the r. Well, extending that to our specific situation here, that would turn into 7 choose r of x to the 7 take away r and b to the r. So that gives us our general term, and I'm happy with that. Okay. Next up, the question says find b given the coefficient of x to the fourth is that. So first off, what we have to figure out is which term is going to have x to the fourth in it. Well, from this, we should be able to figure that out. Well, in order for 7 take away something to be 4, that r value has to be 3. That r has to be 3. So I'm specifically looking at 7 choose 3 x to the 7 take away 3 b to the third power. Now, that's the term we're looking at. Now what I have to do is, because what this information is telling me is that if I have 7 choose 3 times, and I'm just going to rearrange this so that I end up like that, what we have learned, or what we know, is that this product right here has got to be equivalent to negative 280. So what I'm going to do, because that's from there, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to set that up. I'm going to do 7 choose 3 times b cubed has got to be negative 280. So we need to know what 7 choose 3 is. That's a number. We could do 7 factorial over 3 factorial times 7 minus 3 factorial, and we could find that. Me, for my money, way too lazy to do that, so let's do a new page and let's find what that is. So I'm going to do NCR, and choose R, of 7 comma 3. That tells me it's 35. So if that's 35, then building off of this, that tells me that 35 times some value cubed has to be negative 280. So from that, b cubed has got to be negative 280 divided by 35. And I could figure that out, but I'm just going to keep algebraing my way out of this until I get to something that I can just slam into my calculator and solve. And that's where I'm at right now. So now, back to my calculator. I'm going to take the cube root of negative 280 divided by, just want to make sure that this gets that negative in there, negative 280 divided by 35. Notice that I have the whole thing under my radix here. It's really important. If you put it out here, you won't take the cube root of 35 as well. But when I press enter, I get negative 2. So that tells me that b has got to be negative 2, and that is my solution. I really hope this is helpful. Thanks.